student. Myself Dr. Aparna Digde, working as an assistant professor at J.D. Patil Samrudkar Mahavidyalaya, Daryapur. Today's lecture topic is epoxide. What is epoxide? Epoxide is a cyclic ether. Epoxide are just but a subclass of ether. It contains epoxide is three-membered ring. This three-membered ring. The basic structure of epoxide contains the oxygen atom is attached to the two adjacent carbon atoms of hydrocarbons, that is epoxide. The example of epoxide: styrene oxide, benzene ring CH, CH2 and O. O is bonded to the two carbon atom, that is 2-phenyl oxyrane, CH2O CH2, ethylene oxide or oxyranes. Synthesis of epoxide. Epoxide can be synthesized by two ways, from ethylene and from styrene. First of all, we will see from ethylene. From ethylene, epoxide synthesized by two ways. First of all, ethylene CH2 double bond CH2 is reacted with peroxy acid RC double bond OCOOH. It gives ethylene oxide CH2O CH2 plus RCOOH. Next is when ethylene is oxidized with in presence of silver at 523 to 673 Kelvin atmospheric pressure, it gives ethylene oxide CH2O CH2. Next is from styrene. From styrene, when styrene is heated with the peroxy acid, it gives styrene oxide benzene ring CH2. This is the styrene. Styrene is reacted with peroxy acid RC double bond OCOOH. It gives styrene oxide benzene ring CHO CH2, that is styrene oxide, plus it gives byproduct RCOOH. It gives acid. Next is chemical reactions or chemical properties of epoxide. First, ring opening reaction catalyzed by acid. When styrene oxide is reacted with acid in presence of CHCl3 trichloromethane, it gives epoxide ring opening takes place. It is in more substituted side to give the 2-chloro-1-phenyl ethanol. Let us see. In styrene, the oxygen atom in styrene oxide, it contains the oxygen. The oxygen atom having lone pair of electron, it accepts the proton from HCl. That is HCl is ionized HCl H plus plus Cl minus, that is the ionization of HCl. This proton is accepted by the oxygen atom of styrene oxide. It gives benzene ring CHOH. This H is attached to the oxygen atom, means it forms OH, and after that the Cl minus of HCl is attacked on the CH2. It forms 2-chlorophenyl, that means benzene ring CH2Cl CHOH, 2-chloro-1-phenyl ethanol. That is the ring opening reaction catalyzed by acid. Second is ring opening reaction catalyzed by alkali. The ionization, alkali means base. Which base? NOH. NOH is ionized. Ionization of NOH is Na plus OH minus. It accept the proton from this proton is attacked on the oxygen atom of styrene oxide. It forms benzene ring CH-OH CH2, the styrene oxide. After that the OH minus, OH negative is attacked on CH group and this bond open here. It forms benzene ring CH-OH CH2 OH. That means 1-phenyl 1,2-ethane diol. Thank you.